are you doing, snow angels? Huh? My poor old girl. Oh, this needs a lot of love. I had the company of my baby there. Okay, let's clean. Hot balloon of the summer that I see. I hope he comes back. Okay. I cannot clean all this bad. Now I need to keep going. Let's do it. Okay, I mowed the grass. The machine is still not working really good, but I'm also watering. I hope it helps to grow better. I hope I don't make anybody wet here. Okay, it looks a little more neat now. This is how it looked. My backyard, since the machine was not working, it's a really ugly looking backyard, and I need to do a lot of work. So first I already scooped, of course, and I would use my trimmer and then the mower. I was able to do only half of this, and now my neighbor is celebrating. He has a party. I think it's her birthday, so I will stop anyway. And maybe I will water these and go to get laundry. I have the other one, but this is how it's going. My pergola. The water that you see there is because I have the water now. I need to get a better sprinkler. I take my shower and now I will do a little of mix of things for a nice chicken with mustard. I'm trying to remember the recipe, to be honest. I don't remember so well. I have not done this in so long time. But I'm sure that is not so complicated. Do I need lemon? I think I need a little of lemon. Lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Maybe put too much soy sauce. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This in a long time, and I get confused with another recipe sometimes. And I have where I put the chicken is here. Some breast pieces. I think it's like 2. Let me wash this. Now we will mix these. They're big pieces of breast. Really big. Wow. I'm sure they will get smaller, but for now these 2 pieces are huge. This is not so big like the other one, but still big. And I think I will put some potatoes. That would be a good idea. Let me put these potatoes. They're like small potatoes, and some of them are getting like ready to be planted actually. So maybe I will check if how many I have, and I will make another potato bag. Would be nice. And I will have a lot of potatoes for the year. I love this one, the yellow potato. So they will cook slow with the chicken. Perfect there. So as soon the oven is ready, all goes inside. Actually, I will go to get from my garden some thyme and rosemary. I put some fresh rosemary and lemon thyme from my garden. Oh my gosh, you can imagine the smell as soon as I cut all that. So I will leave cooking. I think 350 is okay for 45 minutes, but I will be checking. I want this to get really well cooked. I need a coffee for now. It is 12:30. Are you very sleepy? Are you very sleepy? My wet dog. Both of them took a shower. There is sleep in the other one. Too tired? Okay, I will turn off the TV for you, okay? I close all the blinds and curtains, and now everything is cold. Yeah, I put the temperature lower, and now we will try to relax while this is cooking.